Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to apply different types of alignments in a single line of a Word document using tab buttons. So let us go to the Microsoft Word window. So here in this screen you see that this in the very first line this word 2 is left aligned, whereas this date is right aligned, and in the second line this is right aligned, whereas this is aligned somewhere in the middle. So this one controls this alignment in the second line, second and this third, fourth and so on. And but this is also in the second line it is right aligned, and in this table you see that these numbers are right aligned, these names are left aligned, rupee symbol is aligned on one symbol, so you can call it left aligned or right aligned, whatever it is. These are right aligned, and these numbers are aligned along the decimal point. Okay, decimal point is aligned, this is centrally aligned, and these email addresses are right aligned. Okay, now how all these things are done? Okay, even these headings are also aligned, some of them are right aligned, some of them are centrally aligned. Okay, all this thing. So all this thing how it is done, even just in the single line only you see different types of alignment. So for that actually we'll make use of this tab button, this tab button here in the corner. Okay, so this tab button, if you click it, it will keep on changing. See this type of tab, then again I click, again I click, then again I click. So this is, so if you move your mouse little bit, the name also will come. So it is hanging indent. This is left indent, left tab, and this is centrally center tab, then this is right tab, and then this is decimal tab. Okay, so all kinds of tabs are there. Bar tab I am not going to discuss today, it creates a vertical line and all, you can try it. So okay, so let me do it in a fresh page. How all these things are done, let me recreate all these thing in a fresh document. So I go to file and open a blank document like this. So I am opening another document, my earlier document is here and this is blank document, and I increase the font size little bit so that you can see it nicely what is going on. And secondly, now what I do, I here of course I can straightaway first of all write 2, and then I have to write the date. So before writing date, let me do few things. See here, I'll keep on clicking this one till right tab comes. Yeah, right tab comes. So keep the right tab here only, and just bring the mouse here, and somewhere will somewhere you click here. So it is tab button is here. I have to bring it right inside this button. See here, here of course if you go there, then you will see this button is inside this, so I have to bring this. Now straightway if you click your mouse here and then keep on clicking and try to drag it, you will see sometimes what happens, sometimes it doesn't go inside. I just move it, it doesn't go inside. That is because this tab button actually it sticks to these either say for example 13 or this 13.1 or 13.2 like that, it will not stick in between. But if you see minutely, this button is in the middle slightly. So what you do, just increase it little bit like this, margin you increase it little bit. Okay, so that will be I think good enough. Now it will come inside. Yes, it has come inside. Okay, just a small adjustment, then it will come. So now what you do, you type, you just press tab key. Your cursor is here, remember I have not clicked anywhere, so cursor is here and this button tab key is inside this earlier tab, right tab. Now here you press the tab key from your keyboard, which is on the left side of your keyboard, okay, just above caps lock. So this tab key is there, just press it, then it cursor will come straight away here, okay, just under here, can you see it? So cursor has come here right away, okay. Where is the cursor? Yeah, here is the cursor. Okay, so here is the cursor. So what I do, here I type date, so capital DATE, and you see, even though I am on the right side, but it is going towards left. So date, the space 13th June, any date you write. Today is 13th June, so I am writing 13th June, comma 2025. So it is date. Okay. Now you press enter. So if you press enter, this tab is still there in the second line also. Now normally some of us want to have little bit of indent for the second line, so just bring it somewhere here little bit, okay. So then press tab key, it will come here, and then you can write to the manager, okay, to the manager. And then if you want to write, press the tab key once again, so it will come to the right side. So now write place, whatever name of the place, okay, just arbitrary, just anything I write okay, North City maybe, okay. And then if you press shift enter, then cursor will come just after, just below T, and if you press enter, it will come here under this two. So I press shift enter, so that my cursor will come here just under this D. And now you can write name of company, and again shift enter, so you can write whatever it is, address maybe, okay. So like that, so in this way you can make it right aligned, and this is left aligned. And if you think that all other command will work, if you think that spacing is too much, so go to the spacing, remove this space after paragraph, and if you want one single spacing also, that also is possible. So whatever you want to do, you can do. So this way this is completed, okay. And now that table I want to recreate. So this one table, so AN, name, amount, average, some number, email address. So all this stuff, let us do one by one. So first let me make this one bold, and secondly I'll extend this to 17.5 probably. What is here? 17.5, yes. And now I introduce some tabs for heading. So I change this one to this thing, and the tabbings are, one is at point this thing, and then another one is at this, another one is at this, another one is at this, and the other one is at here, and then 15.5 is here. So after that I press tab key and write a dot n dot. Then I press tab key again, then write NAME. Then I press tab key once again, and then write amount. Then I press tab key once again, average tab key, some number tab key, email hyphen address. Okay, then I press enter, and then I have to remove all these tab keys. I have to remove all this, so I go to this paragraph, this one, and then click on this tabs, clear all, and then OK. And this one is what? This one, after increasing it has gone down, but this was on 15, uh, not 15. It was on 15 point. Okay, if I can put it here only, and so this one also from 16 to I can pull it to this, so that it will look nice now. And now after reaching here, again I have to put some tabbing, so I change it to this one, right, and then at 1 I put 1, and then at 7.5 there is one, this type of thing, and another one is at this here. Okay, I put it here and then drag it to this, fine, and then at 1.5 I have left one, yeah, so 1.5 is this one, and then 5.5 this one, and then 9 I have a different one, so I change it to yeah, this is 9. Okay, decimal tab, and 11.75 is center tab. 11.75 is center tab, yeah, this one. So now here I press tab key so that I am here now, and now I write 391 dot. Oh, I have to change this one to bold. I have to remove, so that, yeah. Then I have to press tab key once again, and then it was PAWAN Pawan SHARMA, and then tab key, and then Control Alt 4, that will print the rupee symbol, and then 231.56. Then average is 123.45. Some number I have written AG987. Email address I have written as PAWAN, whatever it is. These are all fake email numbers, email addresses, no problem. So I press enter. Okay, I could have pressed shift enter also, then I will go there, and then press tab, so 21 dot, and then again this thing. Okay, tabbing is already there, so no need to tab anymore. So BHAM Shubham Kumar, and then again a tab, sorry, rupee symbol, then tab 686, then tab 35.6, tab P5, okay, all this thing, and email address, whatever it is, okay, at mymail dot bon, whatever it is, hypothetically, and then maybe again enter you put. Okay, so this way you can fill up other things. The main idea is that you can use those tab symbols to get this type of tables, and then this one you can bring it on the right side, this one on the left side. So that's the whole idea behind everything. I hope this video will be useful to you. Thanks for watching the video. Okay.